I'd like to welcome on stage the ever witty Cyrus Brocha, who really has mastered the art of satire and comedy. Welcome, Cyrus. And I'd also like to warmly welcome Kriti Kharbanda, the lovely Kriti Kharbanda, who has been seamlessly connecting with her audience both on and off screen. We've seen her standout performances in Shaadi Mein Zaroor Aana, Houseful 4 and much more, and she's about to make her OTT debut as well. That's going to be an exciting new chapter. Chetan Bhagat is back in the moderator's chair, and we know this is going to be a really fun, really exciting session. Over to you, Chetan.
आते ही साइरस ने गन मचा दिया है.
Hi, I'm Cyrus.
Hi, she's.
आनंद बाजार पत्रिका ये कुर्सी बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल है. It's very low for my age group. Back pain, knee pain, hip pain. उठने में 2 मिनट लगेगा कम से कम.
थोड़ी दूल्हे वाली कुर्सी है.
हाँ हाँ.
उसने किया, नाम भी है उसकी पिक्चर का, शादी में जरूर आना. आज हमारा वेरी गुड. आज हमारा टॉपिक है सोशल मीडिया एंड वील टॉक टू बोथ. एंड साइरस, अगर आज कुछ पंगा हुआ,
देखिए
मैं पहले बताऊं.
मेरी सारी टीम यहीं पे है. डॉक्टर शशि थरूर हैज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सेट ऑफ लीगल प्रोफेशनल्स एंड लुमिनरीज.
कोई लॉयर बैठा है यहाँ पे?
हाँ जी.
कोई है? आप है ना सर? संभाल लेना सर. वुड यू रादर वॉच? नहीं,
वुड यू रादर वॉच? मैंने बहुत बार वॉच. आई कम फ्रॉम साउथ बॉम्बे फैमिली.
ठीक है, तो ये करेंगे. और साइरस, वैसे आपने एक बुक लिखी है और उसका नाम है 23.5 ways to make a girl fall in love with you. I'm not making this up. This is an actual book. तो क्या है 23.5 तरीके, और आधा वाला क्या था?
सर जी, आपने क्या लिखा? 1.5 गर्लफ्रेंड्स. तो मैंने फॉलो किया. ये सीक्वल है. मैंने आगे ले लिया कॉन्सेप्ट को. 1.5 तो 23.5. देखो स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन मिल गया.
1.5 will make 25 then.
नहीं, बिकॉज आई टेल यू, आई एक्सप्लेन कि वी हैड अ शो कॉल्ड एमटीवी लव लाइन, द ब्यूटीफुल मलाइका. और उस पॉइंट, यू रिमेंबर गाइस, 1990s, हाउ ओल्ड वी आर यार. दिस इज द समय रैना रणवीर अलबादिया टाइम एंड वी आर स्टक इन दैट लव लाइन. सॉरी टू डाइग्रेस.
नाम ले लिया ना?
मैंने ले लिया. क्यों? इसमें क्या है? दे आर नॉट कंफर्म्ड क्रिमिनल्स. आई मीन व्हाटएवर इट इज.
मैंने नहीं बोला है. हाँ, इसने बोला.
सर, डरने का नहीं. वी आर प्रोटेक्टेड बाय आनंद बाजार पत्रिका. इन कैलकाटा वी आर फ्री.
ओके, चलो वहीं चलेंगे फिर. ओके, so you were saying something?
हाँ, no, तो we used to get these questions. सारे same questions थे, mostly from the north of India, asking about how to meet girls, talk to girls, ये वो. I realized कि बहुत लोग का कुछ ये तरीका नहीं है, या technique नहीं है in how to approach girls. Not that I know any better, so I wrote a work of fiction.
Okay, कृति, ये सोशल मीडिया का टॉपिक है, and he's talking about girls. You are very active on social media.
9 million followers, sir. मैंने अभी देखा. Standing ovation. 9 million followers.
अच्छा.
Without any गंदी बातें. It's possible.
तो कृति, ये आपको भी आते हैं लड़कों के DMs saying you're very beautiful madam, I'm in love with you, ये सब आता है?
Yeah, I get that a lot.
साइरस, बंद कर
सर,
भेजना यार.
मैंने खुद किया.
हाँ, ये साइरस
अभी करा.
अभी किया मैंने.
ये इसका 23.5 वे है.
स्पेलिंग करेक्ट करके वापस भेजवाया मैंने.
23.5 वे ये. आपको लगता है कि एक सेलिब्रिटी को, या जो भी कोई पब्लिक फेसिंग काम है जिसका, उसके लिए सोशल मीडिया जरूरी है?
No, absolutely. I think it's बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. एंड उसका रीज़न ये है कि आई थिंक कोई भी चीज़ बेचने के लिए, चाहे वो फिल्म है, चाहे वो एक एक्टर है, एन एक्टर्स ट्राइंग टू गेट वर्क, आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव अ सोशल प्रेजेंस. मेरे को तो ये लगता है. मैं एंजॉय भी करती हूँ, मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगी. आई रियली एंजॉय सोशल.
कितना टाइम आप लगाते हो सोशल मीडिया पे रोज?
ज़्यादा नहीं, बिकॉज आई थिंक एक पॉइंट के बाद वो एक एडिक्शन बन गई थी, एंड आई वॉज वेरी अवेयर ऑफ दैट. तो मैंने बहुत लिमिट कर लिया खुद को. बट आई डू बिलीव कि सोशल मीडिया इज़ अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वे ऑफ कनेक्टिंग विथ मोर पीपल.
और आपको तारीफें ज़्यादा मिलती हैं या गालियाँ भी मिलती हैं?
मुझे सिर्फ तारीफें मिलती हैं. मैं गालियाँ आज तक पढ़ी नहीं कोई.
वाह, आपकी कभी ट्रोलिंग नहीं होती?
मुझे ऑनेस्टली आई थिंक फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. तो शायद आई हैव नेवर बीन ट्रोल्ड. आई हैव नेवर एक्सपीरियंस ट्रोलिंग इन माय लाइफ.
कुछ अलग ही दुनिया में रह रही है. कौन सा सोशल मीडिया यूज कर रहे हो आप?
क्योंकि
अलग ही है.
मेरी बाउंड्रीज बहुत क्लियर है. माय बाउंड्रीज आर वेरी क्लियर. आई विल ओनली डू व्हाट आई एम कंफर्टेबल डूइंग. No one can force me to do something, so how will I get trolled?
करते तो हम भी वही कंफर्टेबल वाली चीजें, लेकिन
हाँ, वो आपका कंफर्ट और मेरा कंफर्ट बहुत अलग है सर.
साइरस, आपकी ट्रोलिंग होती है?
नहीं, हिंदुस्तान में मेरे ख्याल से एक कल्चरली वी आर बेटर, वी ट्रीट वुमेन बेटर, इसलिए ट्रोल नहीं हो जाते।
आपकी होती है?
बहुत।
किस बारे में क्या
अरे
बोलते
मेरी वाइफ खुद करती है। आई डोंट हैव टू गो आउटसाइड द हाउस आल्सो। ट्रोलिंग तो मॉर्निंग से रात तक यहीं पे, आई थिंक इफ यू ओपन द क्वेश्चंस ट्रोलिंग विल स्टार्ट हियर।
नहीं, मैंने देखा कई वीडियोस आप लगाते हो उसके, वो भी होती है वीडियो में।
हाँ।
मैंने एक वीडियो में उसे स्माइल करते हंसते नहीं देखा। वो परेशान ही होती है, क्या क्या कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है, हर बार यही बोल रही होती है।
कौन, मेरी वाइफ?
हाँ।
यार शी इज मैरिड टू मी ना।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
तो साइरस आप, अभी तो ये एक चीज आ गई है डार्क कॉमेडी। हाँ, आजकल उसको डार्क कॉमेडी बोलते हैं। मुझे पता नहीं डार्क क्या है उसमें इतना, ठीक है, पर ओरिजिनल आप हो। क्योंकि एक एमटीवी का शो आता था, एमटीवी बकरा, याद है किसी को? उसमें मतलब डार्क कॉमेडी मतलब रोस्ट, किसी की टांग खींचने से लेके किसी की इंसल्ट कॉमेडी, प्रैंक करना। एंड एमटीवी बकरा वाज प्रैंक। मतलब जो आप सिर्फ अपने ऊपर जोक नहीं बना रहे या एक जनरल बात पे जोक नहीं बना रहे, आप किसी और की खिंचाई कर रहे हो। प्रैंक भी एक तरह से वही होता है। तो आपने कितने साल किया एमटीवी बकरा?
अरे आई थिंक पद्माश्री मिलने के पहले एटलीस्ट 15।
कौन है पद्मा? ओ आई थॉट कोई
डॉक्टर शशि, प्लीज यार, there's no respect for the guest. अवार्ड विनिंग।
ओके, अच्छा, नहीं तो
10-12 साल तो कम से कम।
10-12 किया। सो फॉर दोज हु डू नॉट नो एमटीवी बकरा, बिकॉज वी हैव लॉट ऑफ यंग पीपल हियर, can you give the hundreds of pranks you must have done, can you give one or two wildest pranks that were done on MTV Bakra and telecast then on national TV?
I think both sorry, the pranks, the way we intended them to work, sometimes didn't work. That's one good thing. But for example, Noida mein, a lot of the staff, a couple of girls who were talking to us backstage were from Noida. So Noida mein हमने किया था. And everybody told us, when you go north, be more careful. वहाँ पे physical मारपीट तो हो सकता है and all that. I don't know why north gets this. Who's from north here? Such a peaceful part of the country. आप तो है. फिर तो we did a gag about we found an area in Faridabad, I think. No, Noida, I can't remember. One of these places where all the scooters and the motorbikes, they would stop to pee at one same spot on the highway. So we did some research and we stopped them. And the whole idea was, with a straight face we asked them, sir, यहीं पे क्यों कर रहे हैं? ये क्या हो गया? You know, देश का थोड़ा ये करना है and all that. We were going in that direction. But everyone thought they had a chance now to talk about कि क्या नाइंसाफी है इंडिया में and how the government has done nothing for them. And we shot people in the act of urinating. He's answering the question. वो हेलमेट खोल के ऐसा, I did not act it out for you, but ऐसा, हाँ देखिए 55 साल से मैं आ रही इसी जर्नी में और एक टॉयलेट भी नहीं बनाया किसी ने, एक टॉयलेट भी नहीं, क्या करो हम लोग, हाँ क्या करो हम लोग, screaming and shouting and also became like a social issue. So that completely slightly backfired on us and we had to play it that way. But the ones that I enjoyed the most were the simple gags. Like Gateway of India के सामने, me and another actor, we would just stop the traffic with an imaginary rope like this. Not one car argued. This is middle class India before the pandemic, how you listen to the police and everybody else without thinking. Not one car said anything. We just stopped them and then imaginary rope, you're pulling, ऐसे करके, and then we let the car go. It's great fun, yeah.
So अब उस टाइम पे फनी लगता था मेरे को अभी तक याद है, कोई रह रहा है घर में, somehow वो जब कहीं गया, आप लोगों ने उसका पूरे घर का सामान शिफ्ट कर दिया, फैमिली को भी निकाल दिया और एक और फैमिली रहने लग गई उसी घर में। वो घर आता है, शाम को घंटी बजाता है, कोई और ही फैमिली मिलती है तो, और उसे बुलाते भी, आइए प्लीज बैठिए। कहते थे ये मेरा घर है, मेरी फैमिली कहाँ गई, मेरा घर का।
वो सुपर्ब था, वो जस्ट 30-40 सेकंड का वो जो रिएक्शन विदाउट वर्ड्स, उसका जो फेस, आई मीन इट वाज अनबिलीवेबल।
तो ये अब आज की डेट में कोई कह सकता है कि ये समाज में गंदगी फैलाई जा रही है, ये क्या हो रहा है, आप लोगों का मजाक उड़ा रहे हो, दिस इज टू डार्क एंड ये
तो उस पॉइंट पे भी क्रिटिसिज्म थे और वो थे कि एलीट काइंड ऑफ शो एंड यू आर टारगेटिंग आम आदमी अ लॉट, तो वी यूज्ड टू गेट लॉट ऑफ दैट कि सोशली यू नो अनजस्टिफाइड वर्क, कि all the people who are getting targeted, 90% of them, they are not people like Chetan Bhagat and Kriti, they are people.
तो क्रिटिसिज्म आया, लेकिन फिर भी आप नहीं सुधरे, फिर आपने एक और शो बनाया, वीक दैट वाजंट। मेरा वन ऑफ द, आई मस्ट से, आई नो इस चैनल का नहीं है व्हाटएवर, बट यू नो इट इज रियली वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट शोज। और उसमें आपने इतने पंगे लिए हैं, इतने नेताओं को आपने मतलब कार्टून बना के सटायर करके ये किया है। कितने 20-30 साल से वो चल रहा है? 17 साल से, ठीक है ना? तो आप कैसे बचे रहते हो? और अभी किसी बेचारे भोले बच्चों ने
इतने लंबे लंबे क्वेश्चन मैं तो मर जाएगा ये तो
नहीं,
ऑलरेडी
नहीं,
ऑर्गन फेलियर तो चालू हो गया मेरी
So I mean, have you ever faced such a situation?
नहीं तो लेट मी एक्सप्लेन चेतन जी कि अपना जो शो वीक दैट वाज इट वाज मोर लेस वेजिटेरियन ओके इन टर्म्स ऑफ वी आर लुकिंग एट पॉलिटिक्स वी ट्राई टू बी नॉन पर्सनल वो अगर इस वीक पे किया था वी वुड डू मे बी अबाउट द इमिग्रेशन इशू मे बी अबाउट व्हाट्स हैपनिंग विद कनाडा एंड यूएस एट द मोमेंट इंडिया चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी इशूज विद पाकिस्तान एटसेट्रा सो वी वुड जस्ट लुक एट द न्यूज तो आई थिंक there's a little difference
But you would mock the politician. Somebody would become Nitin Gadkari. Somebody would become somebody. They would stay in a certain way. मतलब it was in a way.
हाँ वो तो है मगर I was hoping we have not offended anyone. We would apologize before, during and after. मेरी शादी और मेरे काम में कोई फर्क नहीं होता है. I'm just saying sorry all the time. So, I mean.
Okay. So
but I honestly, Chetan, we really got scared कि हमने लाइन क्रॉस किया था.
कभी हुआ पंगा कोई ऐसे?
Actually not really. I think एक चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑब्जेक्ट किया. I won't go into details, but finally it got sorted out. But normally जब can I take the name of the other media?
हाँ.
अब तो डिफंक्ट है CNN IBN. वो इवेंट्स पे we used to meet people like Nitin Gadkari, Mr. Chidambaram, for example, Mr. Javadekar. They've all come and praised us. So we were very happy. So जो feedback, Piyush Goyal, I think he was here today. Dr. Tharoor, all very nice. Many of them have a great sense of humor. तो ऐसा नहीं था कि they were getting offended as easily as people think. I think India में सबसे बड़ी बीमारी है psychophancy. Not so much the celebrities or the VIPs as much as the chamchas. They get berserk and start trolling and fighting and all that. Very often you'll find that the top of the tree is not bothered at all. So it was okay.
Okay, so.
I'm saying all this for safety, huh?
हाँ नहीं ठीक बात. पर अभी जो हुआ.
हाँ.
Let's talk about this India.
But don't mention Ranveer and Samay. It's not right.
नहीं, we should not.
So off stage he said we should not mention names. So,
नहीं, definitely I will not mention Ranveer and Samay's name.
I will also not say Ranveer or Samay.
No. So there was a show happening which was getting I heard 20 million views.
Biggest.
ना crores.
कॉमेडी के हिसाब से biggest. I can't say for everything else.
So कोई तो देख रहा है. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि वो हवा में बना रहे हैं.
मार्केट तो है.
मार्केट तो है.
100%.
ठीक है. अब वहाँ उस शो में वो क्या मेरे को ऐसे जैसे हमारे इंजीनियरिंग हॉस्टल में लड़के ऐसे ही बातें करते थे.
Exactly.
ठीक है. और कुछ मुंह से निकल गया जो निकला और सडनली देखा कि पूरे देश में आग लग गई है.
हाँ.
तो व्हाट इज योर व्यू? यू मस्ट हैव उस दिन आपको लगा तो होगा यार ये
तो कृति प्लीज यू आल्सो जॉइन इन योर
कृति ने स्पेशली बोला कि इसने नहीं बोला.
two males from Delhi having a conversation, the wife is just left outside.
I feel pretty, I look pretty, I'm not.
नहीं कृति के मैं वापस आऊंगा. कृति स्पेसिफिकली टोल्ड मी कि और कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछ लेना, ये वाला मुझसे मत पूछना और ये वाला क्वेश्चन पूछना जरूरी है. तो इसीलिए आई एम लेटिंग यू सिट दिस आउट बट यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम टू गिव योर व्यूज आल्सो. ओके यस. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस?
देखिए इंडिया में ये दो शब्द आई थिंक ओवर यूज हो गया. वो है परंपरा और संस्कृति. परंपरा संस्कृति. ये परंपरा कहाँ से चालू होता है, किसका परंपरा किसकी संस्कृति, इट्स नॉट वेरी क्लियर. Because your tradition and my tradition, your morality, my morality is all a little different. So I would think in the guise of freedom of expression, अगर आपको freedom of expression चाहिए, तो फिर you have to allow everyone to express themselves. We have people with Nazi doctrine, IS doctrine on the internet. All this is there. It's all there. So I don't know in the all the crimes that are available on the internet how bad this is. The roast show. और वो अगर वो अवतार रोज की अवतार जो है, people talk like this. It's a copy of that Tony Hinchcliffe show called Kill Tony. Many people will know it. How many of you people here have consumed porn for at least 1 minute in their life? Okay, let's put it this way. How many have not consumed porn? Stand up. Stand up now if you have not consumed porn. Not one person has stood up. ये भी illegal है. So who are we kidding यार? What is all this nonsense? I'm not saying you have to like that show. Don't watch it. अगर आपका मनपसंद show नहीं है तो ठीक है, don't watch it. But I don't think they should be treated like common criminals and their careers stopped and all that. I mean, you know, it's almost a crime that you're just censoring them. There's much more crime in the world that's available. But that's my thing.
Yeah.
But आपका परंपरा और मेरी परंपरा, आपकी संस्कृति मेरी संस्कृति में फर्क होगा तो I can't say for sure.
I mean था तो जोक ही ना.
हाँ.
जोक ही सुना रहे थे बेचारे. आप कृति अब बोल ही दो.
क्या बोलूं?
क्योंकि हमें आपकी राय चाहिए. You don't have to talk about Samay and
कृति ने agree किया. I was watching body language. Body language भी एक चीज है. She was nodding when I was saying कि you know they don't have to be treated so badly, etc.
Okay,
so vaguely you have accepted.
Let's talk about roast. Let's talk about roast in general, just to make sure that you don't talk about Samay and Ranveer or India's Got Talent. In general, this concept of roasting, insult comedy, everybody's like people are watching. Some people are not. It's maybe too much for some people. what is your view on how should we handle this?
लाइक अभी आप जैसे हैंडल कर रहे हैं इतने प्यार से, जो आप मुझे रोस्ट कर रहे हैं अपनी ही
मैंने कहा
भाषा
रोस्ट
में,
किया
बड़े
है।
प्यार से मैंने ये भी कहा, बट आई फील एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, इट्स माय पर्सनल ओपिनियन, आई फील लाइक मेरी खुद की लाइफ में इतने इशू हैं, पहली बात तो। दूसरा, आई फील हमारे देश में बहुत ऐसी बातें हैं और बहुत ऐसी चीज़ें हो रही हैं विच एक्चुअली डिजर्व आवर अटेंशन and they're not getting it. So if everyone's going to jump on this wagon and talk about things that I personally don't feel so strongly towards, I would much rather not have an opinion. I'd much rather have an opinion about the blatancy that I see on social media where, sorry for the lack of a better word, there are nudes that people send you sometime in your DMs, you're getting tagged in random posts. All of that is also happening. Cyrus, I can see you from the back of my head.
Cyrus, does
But-
anyone send you nudes?
नहीं यार, I only
No,
get.
you don't have to send them. Actually, if you go to your tags on Instagram with actresses, that happens a lot. You get tagged in a lot of stuff that you don't want to be tagged
Oh,
in.
really? Okay.
And it's a little disturbing, and there's only so much you can do. So the best way to do that is ignore, because by paying attention to something, you're giving them that power of being important. It's not important. It's not worth the attention. What is worth your attention? ड्राइव योर एनर्जी देयर ना, मतलब जिस चीज़ को आपकी एनर्जी की ज़रूरत है आप उसको नहीं दे पा रहे, टाइम पास क्या कर रहे हैं हम?
मेरी डीएम से मेरे मम्मी की मैसेजेस आती है, यू नो, you've left the geyser on, put it off.
इंस्टा पे?
इंस्टा पे. But how do you communicate ना आजकल की generation?
Exactly.
That's the new way of communicating. But I want to just say, अंग्रेजी में there's a great line where the punishment should fit the crime. I feel it's disproportionate ना when we do all this, exactly what she's saying. और ये politician या you know judiciary का issue नहीं है. This is the media. The media is only hanging these kids more than anybody else. I'm saying kids because अभी 50 complete हो गया. So Shashi ji, you're not paying attention. I'm feeling very disrespected. What are you watching, by the way? India's Got
लाइव नहीं, वो हमें लाइव देख रहे हैं बीबी पे।
Fair enough. He's a man of class. He's not going to watch this.
Okay.
So I feel the media is the one who's really, you know.
ठीक है,
And
ये-
when we say media, we're looking at electronic media and other forms of media.
I agree with you, but
I don't agree with that.
You don't agree with that, so please, then we must hear it.
आई थिंक आग कहीं तो लगनी होती है, ठीक है, लेकिन दो ऑप्शन होते हैं, या आप आग बढ़ा सकते हो या आप उसे बुझा सकते हो। देर आर पीपल टू ब्लेम एन एंटायर फ्रेटर्निटी एंड से कि मीडिया इज अ वेरी जेनेरिक टर्म. I'm sure there are people in this room who don't agree with what's happened or maybe agree with what's happened.
But Kriti, why is for the last week, the electronic media, TV, let's call it TV, that's what it's called. TV was going berserk over this issue here. They were
Because-
going on and on about this and talking in that pontificating voice. I think one man changed television. They all sound like him now.
I
And
think it's
everybody's
very
talk-
important, right, to sustain. Like I keep saying, a producer needs to make good films and a film needs to do well for him to make another film. So yeah, if something's trending and there is TRP on that, there's nothing wrong in encashing it. Having said that, you
Wow.
need to have
You sound
power
like
to
my
make
wife.
a difference.
अभी दोनों side से?
No,
Okay.
you need to have the power to make a difference. It's as simple as that. How you choose to exercise that power is also a personal choice. Just because मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है और आपको ऐसे लग रहा है मैं सही और आप गलत नहीं हो जाते, कोई इंडस्ट्री गंदी नहीं होती, कोई कॉर्पोरेट गंदा नहीं होता, अच्छे और बुरे सिर्फ इंसान होते हैं, काम नहीं होता.
Fair.
It's as simple as
But I
that.
think also the main point इसमें है कि we are talking about disproportionate allotment of time and
But
energy.
And I am saying that you can't generalize and say media. If you have a name, if you have a
कुछ
person,
media.
take that name, but
We
you
hate
cannot.
the media. Oh, it's a
I
media
love
show.
the media.
Okay. Let's play devil's advocate. आप कह रहे हो कि
One
freedom
sec, Kriti is getting angry. I'm going this side.
Hey, no, I talk like this only. I'm a very sweet person.
Don't worry. I'm scared of everybody.
हाँ नहीं तो अभी आपने कह दिया फ्रीडम स्पीच होना चाहिए, बच्चे हैं उन्होंने ऐसे कर दिया, डिस्प्रोपोर्शनेट हो रहा है, थोड़ी बहुत गालियाँ दे दी, तो यार एबीपी न्यूज़ पे भी रोज रात को डिबेट चल रहे हैं 9 बजे, वहाँ भी माँ बहन की अलाउ कर दो.
No, but you're
Cut the
looking at,
TV.
yeah, it's like different menu cards for different cuisines and all that. Come on, let's not have this ridiculous
नहीं,
conversation.
because the issue is वो तो
हाँ.
this particular case will be sorted and I think more or less.
Let's ask the audience.
I thought we were discussing
नहीं.
social media.
Yeah, this is no because they're
I have
talking
some
of
really good
because they're-
pointers. No one's allowing it.
नहीं, the Kriti, the connection.
Kriti,
to-
anchor का नाम है चेतन भगत. I am just a guest.
No, I'm just saying I'll let you guys fight it out also, which is great because the I think it's clear now कि वो ओवर रिएक्शन हो गया, बट उसका जो रेपरकशन ये हो रहा है कि अब आ रहा है कि YouTube का कंटेंट भी सोशल मीडिया का कंटेंट भी रेगुलेट होना चाहिए. जैसे आप टीवी पे गाली नहीं दे सकते, क्या होगा अगर हम गाली देंगे, इनको फाइन होगा, पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो क्या होगा, या मैं नहीं दे रहा, पर नहीं दे सकते. अब आप कह रहे हो कि वो अलग मेन्यू है, वो रेस्टोरेंट ही अलग है, ये वेज लाइक भोजनालय है और वो मतलब चावला का ढाबा है, चंडीगढ़ का चिकन वाला. दैट्स नॉट व्हाट इट इज. इट्स लाइक वहां पे भी रेगुलेशन रखें फिर कि वहां जो मर्जी चलेगा और यहां तो भाई तमीज से बात करनी है. और बिकॉज जब आप मीडिया की बात करो, मीडिया वाले बोलेंगे हमारे को भी खुली छूट दे दो, फिर हम भी जो मर्जी करें. फिर सबको ही सब कुछ कर रहा है कंटेंट के लिए. एक तरह से आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो जाता है ना मामला थोड़ा, वो भी तो है.
हाउ विल यू कंट्रोल, हाउ विल यू पुलिस द इंटरनेट? एंड ऑफ द डे कोई तो तरीका, कोई तो टेक्निक होगा. यू फाइंड योर वे इन बिटवीन टू द पर्सन हु वांट्स टू प्रेजेंट व्हाटएवर द व्यूज आर. इट विल ऑलवेज हैपन. दैट्स एक बात. दूसरी बात है, आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग कि हाउ मेनी पीपल हैव वॉच्ड दिस शो इंडिया हैज गॉट लेटेंट. I mean, there's people are watching it. Yeah. I mean, the audience has to decide. Audience समाज decide करेगा कि ये सही है या नहीं है. End of the day, if it's not working, they'll reject it, and the show goes out. If there's a market, there's a market. I honestly, यार, history of crimes in India, कहाँ पे रखूँ? I mean, if you're looking at all the great criminals and all the bad things that are happening, and all the anything from corruption to infrastructure to whatever, what is this? This is a couple of comedians or anchor or whatever you want to call podcaster. It's really mamuli cheese compared to the the rest of the, if you put it in perspective. That's all I'm saying, which is, I think Kriti has agreed finally to my point. So let's end
I
here.
agreed before also.
Thank you, sir.
But what do you want to say about that? Should there be regulation of YouTube? Should we regulate YouTube पे क्या?
Chetan, but your books also will start regulating, na?
वो तो
Your freedom of thought will go, na? The Chetan Bhagat that we like and want to read will not be there anymore.
I agree. But
So who is to decide this? That's why I want to go back to Sanskriti and Parampara. Who will decide this? सब अलग-अलग लोग हैं, अलग-अलग culture है, अलग-अलग सोच है. We can't have one. It's going to be very hard, yaar. Forget India. दुनिया में, how do you? Because this is now a global thing. It's not even about India. How are you going to? I think if you have freedom of expression, you live and die by that sword. And if you don't, you don't.
okay, do you agree with that? You live and die by freedom of expression.
I feel you can't give one human being or any one person or any one structure so much power to dictate what the rest of the country is going to do. Having said that, आप उधर तो रेगुलेट कर लोगे, ठीक है, लेकिन जहाँ पे रेगुलेशन की ज़रूरत है, which is off camera, which is off the internet, which is trying to make it safer for men and women to step out and do their thing and not feel like they're being targeted, that needs regulation in my opinion. It's very easy to tell someone कि ये मत बोलो, पर वो अपने घर में जाके जो बोल रहा है, जो अपने घर में कर रहा है, यार वो जो इंटरनेट पे आपको दिख रहा है ना, वो उस बंदे के दिमाग के अंदर है, वो बाहर निकल के आ रहा है. आप उसको बोल दो कि ये मत बोलो, लेकिन जो दिमाग में चल रहा है वो नहीं बदलने वाला. सो यू हैव टू ऑल्सो सी कि तुम्हारे रेगुलेट करने से यू आर नॉट जस्ट टेकिंग अवे फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, whatever you call it, freedom of speech बोलो या कुछ भी बोलो. See, me as a person, मैं गाली नहीं दे पाती, मेरे को आती नहीं है, मेरे से होता नहीं है. But that's just me. कोई मेरे को कल को आके बोले गाली दे.
Kriti, how can you say that? You grew up in Bangalore.
Yeah, so
Rickshaw walas.
So they don't give galis. They're very sweet. At least till I was there, I didn't have any issues. But having said that, I feel like this is like saying मुझे कोई आके बोले गाली दे, मेरे को नहीं देनी. नहीं ये रूल है, मैं नहीं दे पाऊंगी. तो द सेम वे आई फील इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि रेगुलेशन ठीक है आप कर लोगे, लेकिन लोगों की सोच बदलने के लिए क्या कर रहे हो वो देखो. अगर आप उनकी सोच बदल लोगे, इफ दे फाइंड एन आउटलेट वेयर दे कैन स्पीक देयर माइंड्स and they're not bringing that filth back home or into the streets or corrupting someone else in their life, I think that should be our motivation and that should be what we're working towards.
Do you agree with this?
Sir, मैं एक वकील का बेटा हूँ and 3 generations of lawyers, Parsi lawyers from South Mumbai have done wonders for the country, and where social justice is concerned, we were born with that idea. All I am saying is कि it's a free world, free internet, and we are a democracy, egalitarian society. उसमें freedom of expression अगर है तो है. If you really want to regulate, then we have to follow the democratic ideals of people forming bodies and bureaucrats coming together and deciding कि ये करना या नहीं करना, ये मना है, ये whatever. It has to be
so
done.
What you're saying they need to.
I'm not for it, but I'm saying in a
Okay,
democracy, if that's what's going to happen, that's what's going to happen. But not in this manner, knee-jerk reaction. जहाँ पे I won't take the names of Ranveer and Samay, but why should their careers come to an end for this? You know, I mean that's almost like a crime. That guy, I mean, not Ranveer मेरा दोस्त नहीं है. मैं एक बार मिला उसको, and he just kept smiling for half an hour, and I got bored. But he's a lovely guy, I presume, beyond what happened there. He's just a young guy, you know. I mean, it should not be that he can't work again or he spends 2 years and then he's at McDonald's serving you. I mean, not that McDonald's is a great job. Hello. Not that that's the problem. Huh? So that's all I'm saying here.
Okay. Okay. Uh, let's talk about using social media for good. We've talked about trolling, we've talked about all this censorship. You've been using it for a lot of NGO work. Do you want to talk about that?
To be honest, I'm so glad that I have a medium wherein I don't have to wait for a date and time to figure out how do I put my message across. For me, that really works in my favor, and I think अगर लोग उसको उस तरीके से use करेंगे, I think it's one of the most brilliant tools to really be an advocate for yourself. You don't really have to wait for someone to ask you a question for you to give your answer. And it's not just about NGOs. I feel.
Can you give an example? I think you've done some work for girls, Shiksha Seva Foundation.
Yes.
Do you want?
My whole intention to do this on social media is also for people to understand that I do this. This is a part of what I am. This is a part of my personality. For me, my social media is extremely personal. I don't put out stuff that I don't want to share with the world. You'll never find anything on there that I don't want the world to know. I've just been very, very mindful about that. But having said that, I think for me, social media comes with a certain sense of power where I say, this is mine, this is my community. I feel really strong with my community. It's very important for them to know who I am as a person. If they're following me, there's a reason. They like my ideology, maybe. But that's about it, to be honest. It is what I'm doing off screen. It's just so much easier to communicate with people कि मैं ये कर रही हूँ. I think it's also very inspiring where if one person puts something out that is entertaining for them or relates to you on a social level or an emotional level or an any kind of level, I think your job is done. I'm just really grateful that I have that medium to put out what I want to put out and I don't have to wait for someone to actually come and say, we are willing to put this out for you. For me, that is what social media did.
Speaking of what you said, जो मेरा मन होता है I put, जो मेरा नहीं होता नहीं put. There is also people like you're married to an actor, so you're both famous in a way. Sometimes people are putting their entire lives. बच्चों की फोटो, आज ये हो गया, आज मेरे बच्चे का दांत टूटा, आज ये हुआ, आज हम यहाँ छुट्टी गए, अभी हम मालदीव जा रहे हैं, ब्रेकफास्ट पे ये खाया, ये सब. It's all going on real time. Is that healthy? And how does one decide कि ये जा रहा है बाहर publishing के लिए और ये मेरी family है, ये मेरा घर है, ये मैं just because I'm a famous person, it doesn't mean everything about me is for sharing with the world. I mean, I would like both your views on it, but maybe we start with you.
I'm a very private person, so I can only speak for myself. I don't like putting a lot of things out on social media, and I don't. I know कि उससे traction मिलेगी, I know उससे following बढ़ेगी, वो सब होगा. But when I joined social media and then I understood that there was a time, like I said, I was so addicted to it. मुझे ऐसा लगता था मेरा दिन शुरू होते ही मुझे बस Instagram देखना है. कितनी likes आई हैं? Is this trending well? Am I going to get more work because of this? Those were the questions I used to ask myself. And then I realized one day that it is not my entire life. It is a very small part of my life. It is part of my public persona. मैं Instagram पे काम के वजह से हूँ, वरना मेरा private profile होता. मैं बहुत clear हूँ. To answer the second part of your question, where people put out a lot of their lives on social media, to be honest, only they can tell you why they're doing it, but some of the reasons that I can think of is validation, could be insecurity, or could be pure joy that I want to show the world that this is my life and I'm enjoying it. So, अच्छा और बुरा is something that I don't know whether it's a good thing or a bad thing. But if I speak for myself, I think it's very important for people to realize that it is a tool, it is addictive, so get into it knowing that what you're putting out there is never going to get erased. It is never going to go away. It is for the world to see. आप एक post delete कर लोगे, लेकिन it is available to all. So you need to be a little more mindful about it, and I hope people be that.
Okay. Cyrus?
सर मैं एक फ्रस्ट्रेटेड इंडियन मेल हूँ, मिडिल एज इंडियन मेल. मैं उठ जाता है, आई हैव गॉट पेन बिकॉज ऑफ हेमरॉइड्स. You know, my organs are not working as well, my hair is falling, there's no parking in my lane. So, you know, for me, I don't understand all this at all. I'm just so irritated. And I don't know how people can live and have happy thoughts all the time. और सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है, people who are happy in marriage. I mean, it's almost like a paradox. And I can't bear those videos. I love you, Jyoti, you're the best, you're the light of my... Shut up, yaar.
Who's Jyoti? Don't you like her husband?
No, I'm just giving a generic name, yaar. My generic female names are Jyoti Sharma and main is Arun Mishra. I've always kept those names as so nobody gets hurt. But I'm just saying, so for me, I just like to irritate my wife because that's our real marriage. She's always angry. No, I mean, that's the way it is. And we started doing it just because she would get even more angry. And there's lots of stuff I haven't shown you where women can really abuse, I have to tell you, Preeti. My God. But
No,
we've not-
I agree with that 100%.
Ah. So I'm just bored of all the happy people on the internet, and I think we should have a tax on that. If you're happy for more than 3 Insta reels, then you should be either shot or taxed heavily. At the-
When you look at whether you want to follow someone, do you see how sad they are and then you follow
No,
them
just
because
like
you
the
don't want
real,
to be...
if there's anyone with a real situation, it's fun, you know. But otherwise, how you're sitting in Malibu and there's the sun in the background and the 2 happy kids in front, and you know, I mean, everybody. I mean,
They
but
spent a shitload of money to get to Malibu.
but that guy is
They're
banging-
obviously going to smile for a picture.
But
You
in
can't
it-
spend all that money, travel, airfare,
but in
khana,
truth,
pina.
he's sleeping with some other woman and she hates
Yeah,
her
but that's
husband.
not in Malibu.
Damn you, Kirti, you're just too smart for me. See, I'm even more frustrated and angry after coming on this panel. And I
Nahin.
still won't get parking in bloody Malabar Hill, Valkeshwar, where the poor live. Shashi is still going on.
Do you
on
want
the
to take that up with someone?
Okay, guys, this could go on and it was really fun banter, but we have.
You didn't give us your opinion on this. I'm sorry. Give it.
मैं
take
तो
it 30.
आज तो आपकी बात
Sir, both active है.
Yeah, but we
Sir,
want to
both
ask you.
active है.
नहीं, but opinion जानना चाहती हूँ मैं आपकी.
नहीं, you just said कि what's the point of going to, it's funny you said this. इतने पैसे खर्च के what's the point of going to Malibu if you're not going to post a picture?
No. I said उन्होंने इसीलिए किया है.
इसीलिए किया. So I think
They
there
left
is,
their problems behind. Is my problem.
I think, and that's just personal view. I think one big test I tell people: what would you do in life if you could not post it? That's what you really want in life. Because then if you're saying कि उन्होंने शायद इसीलिए मालिबू गए हैं, that means you really didn't want to go on that vacation. You're just going it to show others. And I think at some age, I think like when you become senior citizen like Cyrus, you get to that point in life where you don't care what people think of you, because he clearly doesn't, and maybe
No,
he should
honestly,
also.
that's the way to live. I could not be
Yeah.
bothered. मेरे को एक चीज बहुत अच्छी लगती है जब पापा ने मुझे ये बात बोली थी कि बेटा लोग क्या सोचेंगे, अगर वो भी तू सोचेगी तो लोग क्या सोचेंगे. I live by that.
This is like a brain teaser, but yes.
Exactly. लोग क्या सोचते हैं,
हाँ.
अगर वो भी मैं सोचूंगी तो फिर लोग क्या सोचेंगे.
Then they would think something else, and then you
No,
think of what
तो
they are
उनको
thinking.
बोलने दो,
It's like
उनको
this
सोचने दो. अगर आप सबकी
What they
ओपिनियन
think of
मांगने
us should not
लगे,
affect what you think of yourself.
yeah, it
I think-
genuinely doesn't matter.
Sir went to IIT.
And no, I'm sorry sir, मेरे पास तो डिग्री भी नहीं है, मेरे को आपके सामने बोलना भी नहीं
Degree भी नहीं
चाहिए.
है.
बोलो, बोलो.
नहीं
But
है,
9
नहीं
million
है.
followers.
नहीं है.
On your LLB, nothing. IIT,
What does that tell you?
I don't know.
नहीं, नहीं.
No,
Education
but
is a waste of time, Dr. Tarur.
no, it is amazing. But what I'm trying to say is about the Malibu thing. The reason I said that is people want to leave their worries behind, and if posting something on social media is going to put a smile on their face and give them the courage to just live another day, there's nothing wrong with it. I don't
yeah.
think you and I are people who are
Worse
allowed to
than-
judge
Kirti,
them.
Worse than the Insta is the WhatsApp groups. Those
Oh,
should be
that-
banned.
those should be
Good morning,
banned.
Good morning,
I-
good morning. Love you, looking good. Your kids are beautiful. Ah, die now.
एक तो साइरस को ब्लॉक करके पोस्ट करो सारे.
Oh, come on, guys. Stop that WhatsApp group nonsense here. And building WhatsApp group, it's ridiculous. वो gate खुला था. Yo!
I'm home, good night.
Oh, God.
गाड़ी की चाबी बाहर रखी
Oh,
है.
all that.
दीदी आज
What?
नहीं आ रही.
Come on, Chetan. We are now opening the real conversation we should have had.
Yes, I
People
think,
are understanding our pain.
I think there is a lot of pain in society, and you do have.
He's just constantly looking at the time. I'm
वो
really
देखना पड़ता है,
I want to
मैं-
put you on the spot some more. Can
क्योंकि
I?
डांट मुझे पड़ती है ना बाद में, फिर
हाँ
उसके
तो
बाद.
Cyrus, you and I
ठीक है,
can
people are not in a hurry. Saturday
यार
night है भाई.
आराम से बैठे हुए हैं, कोई भी नहीं कर रहा कि जल्दी करो जल्दी करो. आप क्यों कर रहे हो?
वो देखो, वो खड़े हैं टाई वाले. मोहित
Hi.
खड़े. मोहित सर खड़े
No,
देखो.
sir, वो catering का है. 150.
नहीं ठीक है बात आपकी. और पर ये तो जाता है गाजियाबाद, जाता है वेकेशन में, करता है वो भी पोस्ट करता
Oh, I
है.
love Ghaziabad.
Okay.
Okay. On that note, thank
Why?
you.
No, I want to talk to you some more.
Okay. What do you want to say?
But what do you put up? You put up these
You
Instas
put up
also?
everything.
What?
Of happy vacation and all that?
No, hardly.
Huh.
In fact, my PR keeps complaining that I don't take enough pictures. I have this tendency without a camera to just keep going like this.
Do you
because I like
believe in this
taking
thing called nazar?
Yes.
Yeah. So posting doesn't that is amplifying that nazar 100 times?
No, I wear this for that reason only.
What
तो
do you
मैं-
wear?
मैं काला धागा. और यहाँ पे टीका भी लगाती हूँ मैं.
I wear underwear.
I'm proud
For
of
nazar
you.
only.
Show.
I'm proud of you.
और मैं
I'm so
कभी change नहीं
proud.
करता. Same underwear.
Okay.
So proud that you're wearing underwear. That's
I
all.
don't know why. Nobody's going to find out also.
ठीक है, you don't have to show it. We take your word
बाद
for
में
it.
चेतन पैसा नहीं मिला तो at least you'll get this. हाँ.
Okay. So on that note, guys, what a fabulous, fun session with you guys, and
And in the words of Socrates, all we have learned is we have learned nothing.
it's like
Another
a,
pointless
Oh,
debate.
I didn't know we were here to teach. Like I said, I don't even have a
No,
degree, so don't listen to me.
we have learned, and we have learned that Samay and Ranveer, we have kind of shown some support for them, without taking their name, of course. And it's true that if you believe in freedom of speech, you have to let some things slide. And if you want to regulate, कौन करेगा, कैसे करेगा, कोई तो अंकल बैठेंगे, बोलेंगे ये ज्यादा हो गया, अभी साफ सुथरी फिल्में बनाओ, साफ सुथरे जोक सुनाओ.
And what is conservative thinking for you is not conservative thinking for me, etc., etc., etc.
Yeah.
The young lady is getting upset. But I have this effect on women, so don't.
आपको ये संस्कृति और परंपरा बाहर
Oh,
बुला
मत
रहे
लेना
हैं.
वो दो शब्द. That in the WhatsApp group. I don't want to hear from these things ever again.
But we are unfortunately completely out of time. I'm so sorry to interrupt. Chetan ने कोशिश करी, but I had to intervene. Thank you so much, Cyrus.
I can't.
and Kriti.
Kriti, they're shutting
Such
us
a
up.
delight. I
They
swear.
want us to leave.
Okay, take care,
I'm not
guys.
even-
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
वो
What a
मेहमान
wonderful
कल्चर की क्या हुआ?
conversation.
That's all gone now.
Well, I'd like to invite on stage S.B. Singh, Director, Indira Gas and Petroleum Private Limited, and also Shashank Mane, Director, Bollyland, to please join us on stage and present our speakers with a memento. A delightful conversation where I think Kriti did manage to roast back the two boys, and we love you for that. And Cyrus, as always, bringing in the energy and the fun. Thank you so much.